Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey Miss Yulianti, hey everyone. I am Budi Altalarik from class TI19F1. I'm glad to be here with you today. Now let's get started presentation. The game that I will present now is about game online. Index game online, understanding online game, history of online game, type of online game, and impact of online game. Understanding online game. Online game is a type of computer game that utilizes computer network. The networks that are usually used are internet networks and the like, and always use exciting technology such as modem and cable connection. According to the 1960 edition of the Webster Dictionary, the term game is defined as a match, physical or mental, according to certain rules for entertainment, reaction, or to win a bit, as a game of a chance, skill game, fair play. Some examples of the most popular game today: Mobile Legends, AoV, Free Fire, and PUBG. Next, history of online game. In 1969, Chris Broom wrote a two-player version of Myth-famous Space War of the Plato Surface. Rick Bloom wrote a two-player version of Myth-famous Space War of the Plato Surface. In 1679, Roy Tapshaw and Bertha Richards made the first development of the multi-user Dungeon (MUD) in December at the University of Essex, Colchester, UK. In 1985, Billowden Information Service Division confided General Electric to fund commercial AXI-based service similar to CompuServe. In 1987, this year, quantum computer was introduced to the outside world in the world of online games. In 1988, quantum computer service launched Apple Inc., personal edition for Apple II computer at the May Apple Fest Convention in Boston. Next, a type of online games. First, massively multiplayer online first-person shooter games, MMORPG. This game takes a first-person view so that it is as if the player is in the game from the point of view of the character being played. Second, massively multiplayer online real-time strategy games, MMORPG. The type of game emphasizes the greenness of the player strategy. Third, massively multiplayer online role-playing games, MMORPG, a game where the players play the roles of imaginary character and collaborate to weave a story together. RPG usually focus more on socially collaboration than competition. In general, in a RPG, the players are joined in one group. example, game MMORPG, Ragnarok Online, The Lord of the Ring Online Shadow, and Dota. Next, impact impact of a game online. Positive impact a game online through the internet network, allowing players to the virtual socialization without being limited by space and time. Uh, Online game often require players to strategy in a short time so that the right games can train a person response and speed of thinking. The result of research at the University of Rochester in New York, United States, that players have a greater focus on the happening around them. Uh, Negative impact online game. Many online game require the players to be concentrate for a long time at the computer, which can cause physical change among other things. Stamina decreases due to lack of exercise. The spine will become hunched from scalding too often. Cardiac performance is reduced due to the effect of lack of sleep from playing games. Dama- Damage to the eyes due to long-term exposure to radiation from computer screen, and repetitive strain injury resulting from using the mouse too long in the wrong position. Uh, Maybe uh, presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention. I'm sorry if I have mistake, Miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.